Hi, the business rule demo includes 4 sessions. We'll start with the first one, which includes the business story. Using that story, we're going to explain the business rule engine mechanism. And the story deals with the high school graduates that are now candidates that are seeking to enter to universities. An application was developed to help them evaluate their degree certificate before applying to a certain university. So the application checks and supplies a list of anomalies in case there are anomalies or a final grade. The story starts with 3 players. There is the .NET player, which interacts using an interactive .NET application that receives the candidate details, personal details, or general information concerning his birthday, the certification code, the institute where he have learned, and also a list of learned subject and grades. The .NET application then packs the information into an XML data document and sends it to the eMerge business rule engine, which is act as a motor to receive and treat information in the memory based on the input that was preliminary insert into the business rule engine, meaning rules and metadata. Then the application manipulates the data and sends it back using an XML mechanism to the .NET application. Now we are all just familiar with the eMerge suite. Then we can see that in this demo we are going to demonstrate several components from that architecture. The first one is the runtime. In the runtime, the first player will be the candidate. The candidate logs at a third party, as we said, using a .NET application, generates an XML, go through the business rule engine, knowledge base, interact with using the DBMS adapters to the SQL servers to retrieve metadata, and of course simultaneously using preliminary defined business rules. The second player is the business expert, which logs into the business rule administration menu, and he has to define those rules, the business rule logic, and also to insert the metadata, as we are going to explain in the coming sessions. The third player is the eMerge developer, who has to develop, based on the information received from the expert, the technical rules using the eMerge developing workbench editor for rules. During those coming 3 sessions, we're going to demonstrate the role of each of those players from A to Z. Goodbye.